This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Maude Hicks. This is the original Florida build. 6-inch cement blocks, stucco on the outside, make the utility build minimal, especially with the stately oaks. Gutter guards just installed, termite contract, and warranty with Cingo in Dublin. Piedmont water high crawl space. 2 walk-in cedar closets, washer and dryer included. Quiet neighborhood. This place is beautifully landscaped and has a fenced garden spot with pear tree, plum tree, blueberries, and lots of beds. Ideal home location is 14 minutes to Milledgeville and 15 minutes to Eatonton or Greensboro Publix. For more information, review the details below or contact Maude Hicks at 706-252-8020.